Ang business ba ay para sa lahat? My straight answer to that is no. Kasi kung lahat ay pwedeng maging businessman, wala nang employees. Wala nang tutulong doon sa mga businessman para i-run yung business nila. But the good news is, lahat may opportunity na maging businessman, maging business owner. Lahat may pagkakataon na baguhin yung buhay nila o baguhin yung buhay natin sa pamamagitan ng business. Lahat pwedeng kumawala sa employment. OFW pwedeng umuwi para mag-business. Mga seaman pwedeng bumaba para mag-business. What is my point? My point is, it's very hard to start a business. It's very hard to maintain a business. It's very hard to survive a business. So, business is not for everyone. But the good thing is, business is an opportunity for everyone. Kaya dito sa team namin, we will be offering a very good business model to everyone. But then again, hindi lahat pwedeng maging businessman.